Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, excuse the voice. I had a question come in about knee extension. So there's a lot of different ways to work on knee extension. This is just one option. If you look through my YouTube channel, you'll find probably 20 other variations on how to do it. But what I do, any kind of chair. Now, it's gonna vary depending on how tall you are, how tall the chair is, but this is a typical 19-inch height for a seat surface. If I am not getting full knee extension on my right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a pillow. I can even fold it over against the chair. The chair is against either a wall or a kitchen counter or anything that's pretty stable. And now what I'm gonna do is, it's always better if you have armrests on the chair to lean to. I shift forward, and as I shift forward, the chair is pushing my shin back into knee extension. And I'm completely in control of the movement. I can feel how aggressive or otherwise I want to be. I'm gonna allow a static stretch, which means you just hold it in place 30 seconds or so. I could also do a dynamic stretch, which means I shift in and I shift out. And the thing that I like about this kind of stretch is a lot of time the therapist will push down on the knee into extension. When I'm the therapist, I like to apply the pressure just kind of at the top of the tibia, the shin bone, below the knee joint. Now, if you're shorter, this could hit above. We would never want to do it where it hits right on the midline of the knee or on the patella. So the reason why I like this stretch is normal walking, what happens is my leg swings through, there's a little bit of a bend in the knee, then it goes into extension when I make heel contact. And as I shift my weight over the foot, typically I'm in full knee extension. This is called support phase of gait. My leg is holding me, my center of gravity is in front of the knee, which is helping to push it back into extension, and then I'm taking the next step. That gets replicated in this motion, because what happens is, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, I can flex my ankle so my toes are up just like I'm making that initial heel contact, and then as I shift my weight onto it, I'm moving into full knee extension as my center of gravity is moving forward. So it's a little more closely replicating a functional standing walking motion as opposed to just passively sitting and having a therapist push my knee down. This would be something that you want to do 20 to 30 times if you're doing it dynamically. You want to do it about 5 times if you're doing it statically, which means holding it for 30 seconds. And it's just something you want to work on multiple times a day if you're limited in that last 3 to 5 degrees of extension. Some people struggle to get that last little bit of extension for months after a knee replacement surgery. Give it a try. Let me know how it works. I will see you guys on the next video.